Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. So, Assalamu alaikum. This is Misbah Sajid, and I welcome you all to my channel Taaleem for everyone. So, in this video, we are going to see the topic exterior angles of a triangle, and this topic is from section 11.1 triangles and chapter 11 triangles, quadrilaterals, and polygons. And this chapter is from New Syllabus Mathematics Book 1 or D1. In my previous video of this chapter, from this chapter, we have covered triangles and its classification in detail. Sorry. So here is exterior angle of a triangle. Basically, exterior angle of a triangle are the angles outside that lie outside the triangle. Okay, ऐसे angles जो कि triangle के बाहर आपको मिले called as exterior angles of a triangle. Okay, so if you see in this figure X, basically this figure is taken from your textbook New Syllabus Mathematics Book 1. So figure X basically shows that ABC is basically a triangle, okay, with AB produced to P, or you can say extended to P. यहाँ पे highlighter use कर लेती हूँ. AB, this line produced to P or extended to P, okay. Next, BC produced to Q, and next is CA produced to R. Okay. Next is ABC, angle ABC. Angle ABC are the interior angles of triangle ABC, and angle PQR. Sorry. Exterior angles of triangle ABC because they are lying outside the triangle. So I hope so यहाँ तक आप लोगों को समझ में आया होगा. आगे चलते हैं. Before starting anything, if you see carefully over here, this is angle P lying outside the triangle. Okay, so if you relate this triangle with this, okay, so these two angles are known as adjacent angles lying on a straight line AB till P. These angle P and angle B lying on a straight line and called as adjacent angle, and we know that sum of adjacent angles on a straight line is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, angle Q and angle C are also adjacent angles lying on a straight line, and angle A and angle R both are adjacent angles lying on a straight line. Okay, so यहाँ तक ये चीज तो clear हुई होगी आप लोगों को. Okay, next is if you see this angle, ठीक है, इसके two opposite interior angles, if अगर हम देखना चाहें एक्सटीरियर एंगल के, तो दो अपोजिट इंटीरियर एंगल्स कौन से हैं? एंगल ए एंड सी. एंगल आर एक्सटीरियर एंगल के टू अपोजिट इंटीरियर एंगल, एंगल सी एंड बी. ओके, एंड क्यू के एंगल ए एंड बी. ओके, सो यहाँ पे डिफाइन किए. इन पर्टिकुलर angle A and angle B are called as interior opposite angle with reference to Q. Okay, and angle A and C are called as interior opposite angle with reference to P, angle P, and angle. Next is written question given here, which are the interior opposite angles with reference to R, angle B and C. ओके, सो यहाँ पे हमने ये देखा कि एक्सटीरियर एंगल के अपोजिट इंटीरियर कौन से एंगल्स होते हैं और कितने होते हैं? 2 होते हैं. ओके, सो आगे चलते हैं. नाउ हियर इज एन एक्सटीरियर एंगल थ्योरम. सो इफ यू सी, consider this figure, according to this figure Z, consider triangle ABC, and what we have done in this figure, we have extended AB to point D. And if you see angle D and angle B, both are adjacent angles and lying on a straight line. And we know that according to angle on a straight line, adjacent angle, sum of adjacent angle is equal to 180 degree. Okay, and if you see angle ABC are three interior angles, okay, lying inside the triangle, and we know that sum of all interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. And angles A and C are called as interior opposite angles with reference to angle D. Okay, so I hope so यहाँ तक आप लोगों को समझ में आया होगा. आगे चलते हैं. Okay, now यहाँ पे क्या किया हुआ है? According to this figure, angle B plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because adjacent angles on a straight line. And we also know that angle A plus B angle plus C is equal to 180 degree angle sum of triangle. Okay, and एक property है that if A is equal to B and B equal to C, then we can say that A is equal to C. So ये property use करते हुए यहाँ पे क्या किया है कि angle A B plus D को angle A plus B plus C के equate कर दिया. So if you see, therefore angle B plus angle D is equal to angle A plus angle B plus angle C. So equal to के both hand side पे angle B जो same है, so we can cancel out. So angle D is equal to angle A plus angle C. So if you see angle D जो है according to this figure is an exterior angle, and angle A and angle C are two opposite interior angles. So यहाँ से हमने ये conclude किया कि angle D जो कि exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. So hence we conclude that an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. Abbreviation क्या होगी exterior angle of a triangle की? Exterior dot angle of triangle. Okay, so I hope so यहाँ तक आप लोगों को समझ में आया होगा. If you have any queries, so you may comment your query anytime. I will try to respond them as soon as possible. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel Taaleem for everyone and hit like button and press bell icon ताकि मेरे आने वाली हर वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको सबसे पहले और बर वक्त मिलती रहे. So thank you once again. Allah Hafiz.